Hey, this is in response to a question about giving a test in which there are 26 items, and each item has 5 options for an answer, only one of which is correct. The person is required to provide an answer for every item. So I would suggest going to vassaurstats.net, going to probabilities, going to binomial probabilities, and then identify that there are 26 items, and let's just put in that none of the items were correct. The probability of a correct response is 20%, and the probability of an incorrect response is 80%. So we can see that if you get 0 out of 26 items, the probability of getting that excuse me, is about 3 in 1,000. Now what will it tell you? It will tell you the standard deviation. It will tell you the expected mean is 5.2. So you don't really have a lot of room here. Let's see what will happen if they got one answer correct. Now their z is negative 1.81, and the probability of getting exactly 1 is 0.02, but what we really want to know is 1 or fewer. What's the probability that they would get 0 or 1? That's 2%. Let's go to 2. And now we see that getting 2 is not unreasonable for guessing. So the answer to the question is that getting responses of 0 or 1 on this test when just guessing would be unusual. What would the range be? What would you expect the range to be? Well, you could figure it out around the standard deviation, but we know that 2 is expected for guessing, and just going symmetrically around 5, let's just see what 8 is. That's the probability of getting 8 or more is 0.131. Probability of getting 10 is 0.02. The probability of getting 9 is 0.06. So we're probably using a, here we go, for two-tailed test would be the correct approach to asking this question. And so it's going to be somewhere like 2 to 8. I'm sorry, 2 to well, I messed it up here. 26, 10.2. So it looks like less than 2 or greater than 9 is going to be the answer for what the range of random responding is.